My name's Hugh McCaughey. I'm Chief Executive of Ulster Rugby, and I suppose my job is very much to provide the leadership and make sure that Ulster Rugby is delivering on all its objectives. We decided to introduce a solar system because it helps with our sustainability objectives. It's something which is important to us, but also to our fans, our supporters, particularly our young supporters. So it sits very consistently with what we're trying to achieve in terms of using renewable forms of energy. Another reason is that it enables us to meet some of our CSR responsibilities, our commitment to our community, our investment in our future, and I think it is something that our fans are looking for us to do. We chose Solarfix because there's an alignment between our brands. I think they're investing in growth. Was there any disruption whilst the installation was going on? Clearly not, because I heard nothing. There was no feedback of anything negative. We found that it was done in a very flexible way and in a way which took account of our needs. So whilst there is some disruption, it was minimal, and I think we found it a positive experience. Solar power as a business, I think this really helps us to achieve our sustainability goals. It's something that we as an organisation want to do because it is about, in the same way we're investing in our pathway and our players, we feel we need to also invest in renewable forms of energy, and solar power was a very suitable partner for us. Would I recommend Solarfix? Yes, absolutely. If you want to invest in solar panels and renewable forms of energy, then our experience with Solarfix has been incredibly positive.